And today, I don't want to teach. I just want to learn from you today. Okay? And that is regarding face creams and face moisturizers. I've been seeing persons who ask if they can use face creams and face moisturizers together in the same routine. Some persons say yes, some persons said no. Now, what is my answer? I think the answer is it depends. It depends on the kind of face cream you are using. This is my opinion, okay? I still want to also hear your opinion. When we talk about face creams, at least I know that face creams are thicker in consistency. Face creams, in most cases, are infused with actives treatment, okay? They are also sometimes infused with oils. These are what we call face creams. Now, when we talk about face moisturizers are very much lightweight in consistency. In most cases, you won't see any treatment in it. The active you might see in face creams might just be hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, right? And then other hydrating ingredients like ceramides, urea, glycerin. Okay, now these are all hydrating ingredients. This is what we call moisturizer. When we talk about face moisturizers, you think products like the simple hydrating light moisturizer. You think products like the Isen Tree Green Tea Emotion face moisturizer. These are the kind of moisturizers you think of. Even the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel moisturizer. These are all moisturizers. Okay. Now, when you think of face creams, you think things like the Skin Success. You think things like the Face Fact Ceramide face cream. You think things like the Face Facts Vitamin C face cream, even the Oli Retinol face cream, even the Goji Berry. Is it Goji or Goji Berry? Goji Berry. The Goji Berry face cream, it contains retinol, okay? Now, these are face creams. Now, we also have some face creams that contain cocktail of ingredients. Is that the word? Is it cocktail or mocktail? They contain a whole lot of treatments in them. The topical faded. You also think of the face facts. They have this new product in the market. I will leave a picture of it on the screen. The bright and clear face cream. Now, these creams, there are still other brands. These creams contain a cocktail of ingredients. They contain a lot of ingredients. Think of salicylic acid, think of azelaic acid, think of tranexamic acid. They contain a lot of depigmenting ingredients. Now, where I want to get your opinion now is in a routine where you have example the topical faded or you have the face fact bright and clear cream, are you going to use a moisturizer after that cream? That is my question. Or are you just going to leave it at that um cream? Now, personally, I feel that after using such a cream, you should go in with a moisturizer. This is my opinion. This is what I think. Now, reason being that these creams contain a lot of actives. They contain a lot of treatments that are likely to dry out your skin a great deal. Remember, I said this is my opinion. But when you come to face creams like maybe just the face facts vitamin C face cream, the face fact salicylic acid gel cream. Now, to this kind of creams, even the Ole retinol cream, I feel that there is really no essence of you using a moisturizer after it. because it just contains an active. I don't just know, but this is just what I feel, and it has really been confusing me. I've been trying to make researches on it, but I've just been seeing different things. People are saying different things. A lot of dermatologists are saying different things. Okay, even the azelaic acid cream, I've seen estheticians that are like, okay, after your azelaic acid cream, go in with a moisturizer. I have also seen another esthetician that was like, um after your azelaic acid cream, you don't need a moisturizer. So I don't know. It is becoming confusing at this point. So I just want to know your opinion, or just maybe it depends on one's routine. I don't just know. I'm so confused. I want this video to be as short as possible because I just want to know your opinion on this. So just let me know. How do you use your face cream and your face moisturizer? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting to read from you. Please don't air me. Please. Thank you.